Standard 2, Subject English, Unit 4, Lesson number 4.6, My Telescope. Hello children, welcome to our English virtual class. Hello, how are you all children? I think you all are doing good. I welcome you to our virtual English class today. As we are going to learn lesson number 4.6, My Telescope by Tony Bradman. First, we will start with the reading of the poem. So, first things first. Open your English Bal Bharti textbooks to page number 60 and let's start reading the poem. 4.6 My Telescope. I bought myself a telescope to look into the sky, to see the solar system and the comets whizzing by. I searched the sky for planets, for satellites and stars. And now I've got a telescope. They don't seem very far. It's brought them very close to me. It's made the stars my friends. Except, of course, when I make a mistake and look through the wrong end. By Tony Bradman. Children, do you know the meaning of telescope? Do you want to know it? So let's begin with the meaning of the telescope. A telescope is a tool that astronomers use to see faraway objects. Most telescopes and large-scale telescopes work by using curved mirrors to gather and focus light from the night sky. The first telescope focused light by using pieces of curved clear glass called lenses. The telescope device is used to form magnified images of distant objects. The telescope is undoubtedly the most important investigation tool in astronomy. It provides a means of collecting and analyzing radiating from celestial objects, even those in the far reaches of the universe. Do you know that we can see what we can see in the telescope? Let me tell you, you can see the moon. The moon is the Earth's only satellite and wonderful object for observation. The sun, planet, galaxies, star clusters, Mars, comets. Do you know, children, who invented the telescope? There are many people who have put forth their theories of inventing the telescope, but the real inventor is Galileo Galilei. The poet here in this poem is telling us about he bought a telescope for himself to look into the sky. Tell me, children, do you too love to look at the sky at night? Sometimes when we don't feel sleepy at night, most of us look at the night sky and watch the stars and the moon. Am I correct? The poet here in this poem, Tony Bradman, wants to look at the solar system. He wants to look at the comets whizzing by. He wants to see new planets. He wants to search them. Satellites and stars. He's saying since he has bought a telescope, he doesn't see all these things as far as they are. He's saying they don't seem very far because from when you look from a telescope, you see all the things that are very far away. You can see them very near and clearly. So he thinks that all these moon, stars, planets, sun, all these are very nearby to him. Do you know, children, what is meaning of solar system? The collection of 8 planets and their moons in orbit revolve around the sun, and the smaller bodies like asteroids, meteoroids and comets form the solar system. Since the poet has a telescope with which he can see the stars very near to him, he says that the stars are my friends. He has made friendship with the stars because he can see them very clearly and very nearby to him. At the end of this poem, the poet Tony Bradman is jokingly saying that I can see all stars and all these planets very near to me till I don't make a mistake and look to the wrong end. So children, with this we finish with our poem 4.6 My Telescope. I hope you all understood and loved this poem. Now children, let's read the difficult words from this poem. And I want all of you to repeat after me. Solar, comets, system, bot, planets, telescope, whizzing, satellites. Bye children. Thank you. See you next time.